My name is Tamara. I am the founder of Zuchi, a company that produces organic, natural hair products. Best thing about running my own business has been coming up with my own idea and putting it out there and seeing people enjoying and loving it. With BongoHive, I did a lot of market research. There were days were given off to literally go out there with a set number of targets and talk to people and come through, give feedback. BongoHive, they opened my eyes and said, you know what, Tamara, you can actually scale this and you can cater to a bigger market than just your friends and family. So I would not have gotten this far without BongoHive.